how do pricing disasters happen with real estate agents in real estate? Sold comps, that's how. Let me ask you this. Do the sold comp prices matter when the market is shooting up? And the answer is no, because no matter what they sold for 3 months ago, you couldn't buy it for that now because the prices are shooting up. Do the sold comps matter when the prices are shooting down? No, of course not, because even though they sold for that 3 months ago, I can buy it cheaper today. So when do the sold comps matter? The truth is they never matter. It's the actives that matter, because your buyer is not looking at sold comps. The buyers is your customer for your listing. They're looking at what else is for sale, and you have to be priced below the houses that are equal to or better than yours in a much larger area, so like a 10-mile radius. So think of the house you bought that you're living in. What is the farthest away from that house that you ever looked at? And usually it's about 10 miles, 5 miles. So look at a much larger area for your active comps that are equal to or greater than the subject property, the one you're going to list, and you're going to have much more accurate pricing. If you have any questions, you can always call me down here at the number, or go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our videos, and I promise you that'll be better coaching for free than you would pay any other coach in America for. That's my guarantee to you. And just remember, I can't wait to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.